Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to my channel. You remember a few videos ago I was talking about the screen covers, protective covers for my Suburban furnace. I remember was saying that this would probably make a pretty good home for mud daubers, particularly here in Texas, hornets even. So I found this really cool product on Amazon, and you can check my comments area for a link to this product. It's made by Camco, and it's actually two screens that are going to both fit over these openings to keep the bugs out. And you want to make sure that you don't just put any screen there. A lot of the window screens, residential is what I'm trying to say. Residential window screens are of a plastic composition, and this gets pretty hot, as you guys probably know. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what we can see. Okay, now that we've got it unboxed, what we have are a couple screens, two springs, and an installation tool. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but the installation tool has a notch built into it. It might be, there you go. So that is what we're going to use to install these tiny little springs. So basically what you want to do first is take one of the screens and just kind of get a general idea of where you want to place it. And then just kind of, you know, basically what's going to happen here. One end of the spring is going to attach here on the inside. The other end of the spring is going to attach to one of these cross members. So just kind of get a general idea of where it's going to fit. And then we'll come over here. Okay, it took me a few tries, but I did get it in there. And so now I have the spring attached to the inside of the screen. Now the installation tool, we're going to push through the screen mesh like that and feed it through the center of the spring until it comes out the other side. And then that notch is going to just fit right over, you probably can't see that too well. That notch is going to fit right over the spring here. And then see, we can kind of get this motion going. All right, so let's head on over to the, all right, I'm going to push it on in. We're going to latch it across the cross member, and boom, installed. And of course you'll just repeat the same motion for the other one. And it is recommended that you know, just kind of keep an eye on them and hang on to this tool, by the way. Comes with the kit. It is recommended to, you know, check these every so often to make sure they're not clogged up or anything like that. But yeah, that should keep the bugs out. And then of course for the bottom one, just repeat the same process. Well, thanks for watching everyone, and please hit that thumbs up and subscribe button, and we'll see you down the road.